Okay, from the top. Hello, you see my mouse right here? Cool. So everything is labeled and basically it goes from the top down. So this is the logo. You see it? And when I click it, all of them disappear. That's because they're grouped. Click this little arrow, then you can move the Facebook logo or whatever Instagram logo. See how they disappear and reappear? That's just how to show you where they are. Alright, put that away. Now you have workshops, meditation. All this purple right here, I color coded it for you, by the way. All of these are whatever's in this. You can click on the little eyeballs to see what's what or where it is. This will be everything in the header. And if you want to edit something or move it, just double click on the T or double click on the type and it'll highlight. And if you want to move it, just make sure the layer is highlighted, and then you can use your arrows going up or down. And that's basically this. I don't know how much you want to move that around though, but who knows. Alright, next, blue. Blue is everything that is below. It's just everything down. Right here. Guided meditation, sound bath. It's all labeled. This is a month, so you want to change the month. You double click on it. It'll highlight. You type whatever you want in there. And then if you want to change the color, you click it up here. So you change it to this blue so they match. Click. Okay. Beautiful. Also, if you want to change the font, you can double click on this. And then click on the font type right there. And then go to your arrows on the keyboard and just up, down, whatever you prefer. And if for some reason you don't want to have this stroke on here, you can see it has a black outline around the letters. You go to effects. This is its layer, right? When you click down on this little arrow, the effects come up, so you could just take them off and put them back on. You can even go as far as changing the size of the stroke. So I double clicked on stroke. It's right here, right? So you can do big fat strokes or little ones. Short strokes. Inside. Center. Outside. It looks better outside, I think. Yes. Okay. This is going to be put away. Now, these are the workshops. I left the type in there just so you could have like some type of formatting with it. I don't know if you want to keep them all. Obviously not, but same thing goes for editing these. You just double click on this. It'll highlight. Or you double click on the font or the type and it'll highlight as well. Now, okay, so then it goes down to these right here. This is your cancellation policy. It has a little arrow, so that means it's a group. These little arrows, these little folders mean they're grouped. So in it, you have the actual policy box, that outline right there, you see? And then you have this, the cancellation policy itself, right there. You change it, whatever's. And then, oh, these are the new tags. I know you like using these sometimes. So, click on that. These are grouped as well. There's a few of them. I don't know how many you needed, but you can't really see them. They're behind there. Okay, so we'll click on this so you can move this around. Now, if you want to change the color of the tag, you go to, okay, so you're on a Mac, so I believe it would be Command U. Command U. Yes, okay. And then go to hue right here, and then you see the changing colors right there. Change it whatever you want. Okay. And then also, if you don't want to use the key commands to change this color, make sure this is highlighted, and then go to Image, Adjustments, Hue, Saturation, and there you go again. It's right there. Okay. Now we'll put these guys away. Oh, you have more, right? Different colors. Hello. And hello. So you can hide them. Yeah. And then you got your address and phone number right here at the bottom. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you want to, if you want to add something, maybe like an announcement right here, then make sure you have your type tool right there, right, to the T. And then you do a little thing right there. And then you type. And then make that bigger. Read 30. Shoot. 24. Yeah, 24 is good. Sale. Or something. And I don't think you will end up getting all fancy with it, but if in the event you want to change something about the writing or the type, you go to this little A right here. A for Alex. Just kidding. And then you can do the, like, all caps. You see how it changes? Or you can make it bold or not bold. You can even do the letter spacing, like how close the letters are together. So let's do -50. See how they get condensed right here? And if I can go even further, -100. It's all squeezed together in case you want to fit something in there. And but I'd recommend leaving it around -5. And yeah, that's pretty much all it is. If you have any questions, hit me up.